Welcome to how to find send follow request on Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to find send follow requests on Instagram. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to open up Instagram here, and now in the app itself there is no way that you can basically find send follow requests. So we have to download a copy of our data from Instagram. So you need to tap on these three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, then go to accounts center, and then tap on your information and permission, and then download your information, and then basically tap on download or transfer your information and select Instagram and select next, and then basically select some of your information, and then basically scroll down from here. Okay, let the list be appeared. Scroll down and basically just select these two, contacts and followers and following. Tap on next here, and then basically transfer to download to device. Tap on next, and then here you can see you can basically select the date as well. So let's suppose that you want to see your sent follow request in the last year or last 6 months. You can tap on it, and then you can just simply tap on this option, and it will basically download all the files into this device. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.